Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Mr. and Mrs. Pandit, and I am Mrs. Pandit. So today's video is Sorarai Putra official trailer. So it is a very well weighted video because ever since the teaser got released, that time only we were thinking that when the trailer will be released, and because of this pandemic it took some time to release the trailer, but no worries, now the trailer has got released and I am absolutely ready to give the reaction on this. So let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. So चलो झट से शुरू करते हैं.
नेडुमारन राजांगम पेर केटिருக்கேன்.
ஏர் ஓட்டுறவங்க ஏரோப்ளேன்ல போவோம்.
உன்னோட ரெக்கமெண்டேஷன் லெட்டர்ல நான் கையெழுத்து போட முடிஞ்சாலும் நான் போட மாட்டேன்.
வேற என்ன பண்ணலாம்னு யோசிப்போம்.
நாளுக்கு ஒரு ரூபா போதும்.
கலது ஏரோப்ளேன் வாங்க டிக்கெட் அந்த முதல்ல தான்.
இதுல 1000 ரூபாயில டிக்கெட் வித்து லாபம் பார்க்க போறீங்களா?
டிக்கெட் மேல வெறும் 1 ரூபா.
அப்போ அவனே நாசமா போயிடுவான்.
மூஞ்சிலே முடிக்காதடா.
உங்க உயிரோட விலை அரை கப் டீக்கு சமமா?
ஃப்ளைட் கம்பெனி ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்கெல்லாம் நிறைய பணம் தேவை.
பணம்லாம் ஒரு பிரச்சனையே இல்லை. டூ மச்.
24 பேங்க்ல உங்களை துரத்தி விட்டுருக்கேங்க. அதை பத்தி பேசுவோமா?
ஊரை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நீ ஒரு கிறுக்கி, நான் ஒரு கிறுக்கேன். பேசாம நம்மளே கட்டிக்கலாம். We keep our flights very light. எக்ஸ்ட்ரா சாப்பாடு இல்ல, எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வெயிட்.
அப்ப வெயிட்டா இருந்தா உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்காதோ?
மக்களை 1 ரூபாய்க்கு பார்க்க வைக்க போறீங்களா? இம்பாசிபிள்.
உன்னை நம்பி இருக்கோம்டா, ஜெயிச்சிடுறா.
இங்க இருந்து டெல்லி வரைக்கும் எதிரிங்க.
அவங்களுக்கு என்ன குப்பா முளைச்சிருக்கு?
நான் தான் அன்னைக்கே சொன்னேன்ல, உன்னை கொண்டாந்து நடுத்தூர்ல தான் நிப்பாட்ட போறாருன்னு.
அவனோட பிளேன் இங்க லேண்ட் பண்ண கூடாது.
டேய் வாணனா, அவங்க அப்பா உன் சொத்தா? மொத்த நீ ஃப்ளைட் இருக்கடா, நான் பாத்துக்கிறேன்.
உன்னை பத்தி 10 நிமிஷம் தான் யோசிச்சேன். அதுக்கே இப்படி. அதுக்கு மேல யோசிக்க வச்சிடாத.
Wow, that was a bomb blasting trailer. It was made beautifully and a little bit touch of rockiness, kind of like very stylish trailer I have ever seen. Okay, it is very stylish and I really like the thought behind this movie that he want a flight like a plane where normal people also can fly with minimum cost of tickets. That is a very good thought actually, because there are a lot of people. India is a devastated country and it is a village prone country. Okay, so in India we can see a lot of people are there who cannot fly the plane because of the high huge cost of the tickets. So that was a very well thought behind this movie, that somebody is wanting to change the rule, okay, which is very good for the people. And also it was made like the film was made like in such a way that a small villager from a very small backgrounded person who is like upgraded himself in that a level where everybody is like talking about him, like the big ministers level people are thinking about him, talking about him. So it is a big journey for him, for Sorarai Putru, like for Surya sir. And we can see the transformation of Surya sir in this movie. So we already know that he has worked out a lot to achieve that soldier like figure for this, particularly for this movie. And he is looking superbly dashing in this movie, because he is not looking like a aged person. He is looking absolutely like a 19-year-old boy. So as we see that the commando or the flight person or the soldier kind of person who are having very fit body, as well as the haircut is very short and sharp eyesight, and all of the thing are very quite matchable. And Surya sir has done brilliant job in this thing. So I think he has observed a lot to achieve that figure, which is very much required in this movie, and he has just nailed it. Okay, so I am very much eager to see the transformation, the whole twists and turns of this movie, like how he has achieved whatever he is wanting, what struggle he has to do, and how he has achieved the milestone. So like I am very much eager to see this movie. Okay, and I think this movie will be loved by all of the youngsters out there, because this is क्वाइट अ बिट मुझे लगता है कि समवट लाइक सब लोगों का जो भी यंगस्टर्स है उन लोगों का स्ट्रगल कहीं ना कहीं जो भी दूसरे दूसरे फील्ड्स का भी आप देख लो, नॉट ओनली इन दिस फील्ड बट ऑल्सो सम डिफरेंट फील्ड्स ऑल्सो पीपल आर कीप ऑन स्ट्रगलिंग टू अचीव देयर माइलस्टोन, ओके, टू डू वॉट एवर दे आर थिंकिंग ऑफ from a very long time. So this movie quite a bit will fulfill all of that thing. So that will be loved by most of the youngsters out there in our country, and I am very much happy for this kind of excellent topic. This is a very serious topic, as you can say, and by this serious topic to make a movie, it is not a easy task, okay. It is a very difficult thing, and all of the producers, all of the directors have proved themselves that they had done a brilliant job, okay. So by the seeing the trailer only I can definitely tell that thing, and this movie is going to be a super hit movie, okay. So Amazon original movie में ये release होने वाली है, so definitely stay tuned for this, and I will definitely watch this movie and share my thoughts and review for the same. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. The trailer, actually the execution of the trailer, like जो छोटा छोटा क्लिप दे के फिर म्यूजिक दे के ढाई 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 ऐसे करके जो कर रहा था ना, दैट वॉज एब्सोल्युटली लाइक अमेजिंग, एंड एक थ्रिल पैदा करता है. इट इज़ लाइक गिविंग मी अ थ्रिल दैट वो जो लोग होते हैं जो बहुत स्ट्रगल करके ये सब चीज़, मतलब फ्लाइट पर्सन हम सोचते हैं कि वाओ दे आर अर्निंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी एंड देयर लाइफ इज सेटल्ड, ओके, दे आर हैविंग फन एंड ऑल, बट नॉट, okay. Everybody has their own struggle and own way of achieving things. So बहुत अच्छा लगा. It's giving me thrill, and I don't know, I'm feeling very good actually, okay. So yes, this is a 10 out of 10 from my side. And Surya Sir's ka acting, we all know that, I don't need to tell again and again, but yes, he is, this role I think is gonna be his one of the topmost role, okay, in Surya Sir's life or career, you can say, because this role is itself is a kind of like challenge for any kind of actors, and it will be for Surya Sir also as well. And his body, his expression, we saw that some of the expression, like he was talking with some people, and also one lady was there, probably his wife, like his expression like continuously is changing, like at the time of talking with his wife, his expression is kind of like romantic, and his eye and everything is like very soothing. And in the other clip he was talking with that gentleman, and his expression instantly changed. Like he is a versatile actor, and he has done brilliant job. He nailed it completely, okay. So yes, we are very much eager to see the original movie, and yeah, stay tuned for the reaction for the original movie. So that is it for today's video, and now this is the time to read the comments for today. So the first comment for today's video is from Abdul Jabbar, and he's commenting on Let's Meet with Mr. Pandit, Chit Chat with Mr. Pandit, which we have published yesterday. So he's telling, really I'm crying ma'am, I am a sentiment person. I respect you my bro, and I never expect this kind of news in our family. Oh my god, God will help you, sure I am waiting, you will coming soon like before. Yeah, that was actually like it was a very unfortunate thing also, and to be very frank, I am also praying to God that this kind of situation may nobody has faced, okay, in their life, because this is a very, so many sleepless night I have spent, so many bad thoughts came to my mind that what will be happened, like today somehow we passed this day, what will be happen tomorrow, what is waiting for us tomorrow. So every single day it was like hard for us, and by God grace everything is all right now. Thank you so much for your lovely comment, that made our day definitely, and we are so blessed, okay. So thank you so much. So the second comment for today's video is from Ram Chandru, and he's commenting on Ulta Satanaigal episode 2 reaction video. He's commenting, the scene is Sri Ram and Shiva understand the real fact behind the fight they did before. The moral is that if you beloved one did any mistake, don't fight with them, just think from their side before decide. Oh, okay. So lastly I think you are narrating the scene, right? Yes, actually I also like suspect the same thing. I also was thinking the same thing, that maybe they are thinking that what they have done before, if you are friends, whatever you have done in the past, just don't think about that, go on with your life, and as she is your friend or he is your friend, just forget about everything, every mistakes and everything, and go on with your friend. I think that also I thought. And yeah, that was a very beautiful moral wala story, and very cute, very cute. Sriram and Shiva both are looking very cute together every time. So, and their actings are phenomenal. So it was like outstanding video, and thank you so much for this information and for commenting. So the third comment for today's video is from Sukirtha S, and he's commenting on Ulta Sathanaikal episode 2 reaction video, and he's commenting, ma'am, that's hilarious, please react to Lockdown Kadhal web series. Yes, we have gotten a lot of requests actually to give the reaction on Lockdown Kadhal web series, and very soon we are going to do that. Actually, we have to sort it out, like which exactly, like what is this Kadhal web series, because we don't know which one is the exact link for that. So if you have any exact link, you can definitely share, and we'll be definitely doing. Okay, so thank you so much, Sukita, for commenting and for watching our videos. So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone, whoever have commented, whoever subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.